Hello crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today with another AliExpress haul. I picked up a few more dies. Actually picked these up a long time ago. I literally have a bucket full of dies that I have not gone through, and I finally pulled this set of dies that I had picked up and played with them a little bit and cut them out. So I wanted to share these dies and what they look like. They are absolutely adorable. As you can see, there's a strawberry with a cute little smiley face. There's this heart, and it comes with this layer, and then a cute little another heart that you can layer on top with a little smiley face. This super cute little rainbow with the clouds that have faces on them. As you can see, it's like a whole theme with the faces. This is a cute popsicle. And then I also picked up this really cute cupcake, perfect for birthdays. And then I did pick up a couple of new bow dies, and let me show you what those look like. This one looks like this, and it has little hearts in it, and this one is absolutely adorable. And then I also picked up this bow die right here. It creates a really fine, dainty bow, and then it also just a really tiny bow right here, and then it has like these little tassels, which I really hadn't figured out how you use those, but I did put together this bow and I did die cut it out so you could just see what it looks like in case you're wondering. All right, so let's get started. I'll start with the hearts, and this is what that heart die looks like cut out. And I did use some gold foil paper and some purple like shiny paper, and as you can see, it has that cute little face, and I don't really know if you're like supposed to color in the dots to bring out the face or highlight it with a marker. I mean, I guess you could use like a pen so that you can see the face a little bit more, if you get what I'm talking about. And let me just show you another example. It was better, the face showed up a little bit better on this gold foil paper right here. See how cute that is? And then it has like the embossing on the outside of the heart, which is really, really cute, I think. So this is a fun die. I'm gonna have to play with it a little bit more, but I just wanted to share because I thought it was really cute. And then the strawberries are absolutely adorable. Here are the examples of the strawberries. Look how cute those are. And I just cut some out of some foil paper, and then that pattern paper is extra cute, and I just added some bling. How adorable are those? You can have a sweet treat card, or you're so sweet, you know, strawberry theme. Adorable. And then the cupcakes. Now this cupcake die is actually really cute as well. Again, I cut it out of some foil, and then look at that super cute one right there. I added all the little stars for like sprinkles, and then used two different, I've used this glitter paper and then a shiny pink paper, and then just added the little sprinkles of stars. And I think that's a really cute cupcake, don't you think? I love that. And I did cut it out of some gold because I was just playing to see what it looks like. It's really pretty with shiny paper, like the embossing, but it's also pretty with just cardstock as well. You just cut it and paper piece it together, but really fun die. And then let me show you the little popsicles. These are extra cute as well. Here are the adorable popsicles. I'm sorry for the shine, but they are absolutely adorable, and these are fun for summertime sweet treat themed projects. That's why I picked them up, and I definitely see myself using these in a future project. And then let me show you the little rainbow. Here is the little rainbow, and this is really cute as well. It comes with two different faces in the cloud, so you could actually, you know, have the same face on the other side if you want. But I just left it like it was, and then added the little star to the rainbow. And obviously you could go in and do different colors on the rainbow and, you know, make it look like a real rainbow. But this is a cute die, and I just love the little tiny clouds with the little faces. I thought those were cute. All right, up next, let me show you the bow with the hearts. I absolutely love this bow die. If I can get them in my hand for you so you can see how pretty they are. But here they are up close, and I just love this bow. It's a double layer, so you get the little tiny bow, and then you layer it with the bow that has the hearts cut out of it. And I just did some different combinations in glitter and regular cardstock, and I think they came out really cute. This one's kind of like a red and like white glitter, and then this is basically the opposite of that. Isn't that really pretty? I love this die. This is going to be so cute for Valentine's Day. And let me just show you what it looks like without the layer. I love it. It's tiny and it's super cute, and it's you know, a perfect size small bow, and I love it out of this glitter paper. This is a die cuts with a view stack that I used, in case you're wondering, but it's like a soft glitter paper, so it's really pretty. All right, moving along, I did pick up another die set, another nested die set, and it looks like this. And I apologize, I left the one that's in the middle. I think it's in my die cut machine upstairs, but this is another rectangle scalloped heart, and I just thought this was absolutely adorable, and when I saw it, I picked it up, and this is what it looks like cut out. I did post this on my Instagram yesterday, and I'm just playing with the die, but I thought that was absolutely adorable. I love the scalloped, and it has like little stitching, so obviously you can go back and take the scallops off and do a different color right here, and you know, do some fun layering, but love that. Absolutely adorable. And this cute little bear I've shared before, and I have a video on how I created him, and I can link that video for you if you hadn't seen that one. And then this is the bigger layer, looks like this, and this is what it would look like if I layered it. I don't think I'd layer this particular one with this bear, but just so that you could see what it looks like. Absolutely adorable, right? Love that one. And then here is the smaller one cut out, in case you're wondering. Really pretty on the foil as far as like the stitching detail. I love the way that it looks. And then I did pick up one more die. I picked up this die right here, and I was enabled by Gloria, who is Crafty Cakes here on YouTube. Hey Gloria, she had picked this die up and made a really cute card with it, and I was just like, yes, love it. So I went ahead and picked it up. Haven't played with it yet, but went ahead and grabbed it, and super, super cute. And then the last couple things that I picked up, I did pick up some of these stickers. They're handmade. It says original handmade because I want to see your face smile. And I just thought this was absolutely adorable. And this is something that I can stick on non-crafty friends' cards and little gifts that I make that I like to give out to non-crafty friends. I figured this was a perfect option where I wouldn't have to use like my Handmade by Scrapdivatwentynine stamp, and I could just use a sticker that says handmade. And I think this is really a nice little set. And you get several sheets, as you can see. I mean, it's quite a bit. I can't remember the cost, but I'll link it in the description box below in case you're interested. You know, it does look like a little postage stamp, so really, really fun. And then last but not least, I did haul some of these little balls, and they look like this. And I was watching my friend Anna's channel, who is Serenity Creations. She shared how she put little paper clips on these, and I just found them on Ali and decided to grab some. They have little tiny stars, and they have all kinds of different ones, in case you're wondering, but I just grabbed the pink. I thought it would be cute for Valentine's Day, so I'm really happy with the way that they look, and they're absolutely adorable, and I cannot wait to play with these. And that is it, you guys. Please leave a comment. Thank you for watching. Check the description box below for product information, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye for now.